Hi everyone, I hope you are having a good day today and welcome back to my another video. On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to update and open YouTube on all iPad without jailbreak. I have iPad mini 1 and when I download apps, it tells me this require iOS 6 or later and unable to purchase these apps. I tried to download and update YouTube but still can't update it. I must update my old iPad to newer version. And so, how can I update and use YouTube without update? Okay, I have a simple trick to fix this issue. You don't need to install or jailbreak your old iPad, okay? Please check this out. First of all, please open your Safari browser on iPad. Then type on the URL youtube.com. Make sure youtube.com open on Safari. Don't open with YouTube apps. Make it stay on browser. Okay, you will see YouTube like usual. Then click arrow icon above and select add to home screen. And check your home screen. The YouTube add to home screen right now. Okay, go to your home screen. It means you can open YouTube quickly on home screen. This function is the same as the application, and it is simpler to access YouTube without updating the application. And you can also watch videos on YouTube as usual. You don't need to update the YouTube. Only click the YouTube icon. You can free access YouTube without update. This is the same like YouTube apps. You don't need to update it, okay? Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel for more updates. And see you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.